In this lesson, we are going to learn about relational operators. In the previous lessons, we have learned about arithmetic operators. Just like them, relational operators are used with operands to make a statement. For relational operators, there are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. We will also use a combination of relational operators to make some realistic statements that are handy when making a decision. Now, let's begin. In this lesson, we are going to learn about relational operators and logical operators. Relational operators check the relation between two operands and determine either the statement is true or false to return a bool type value. Relational operators are very important for making decisions in code. Relational operators include equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's look at this example code. First, let's assign the integer variable with 10. On line 9, equal to operator returns true if num is 10. So, true will be printed as result. On line 10, result from previous line has been saved to variable true or false. So, line 11 also prints out true. On line 15, not equal to operator returns true if num is not 10. So false will be printed. On line 19, greater than operator returns true if num is greater than 10. So it returns false since the num is 10. Line 21, less than operator returns true if num is less than 10. So it also returns false because num is 10. Line 25, greater than or equal to returns true if num is 10 or greater than 10. So in this case, it returns true because num is 10. On line 27, less than or equal to returns true if num is 10 or less than 10. So it also returns true. Let's try changing the num value to 15 and see what happens on line 31. Since num is greater than 10, it returns true. Now, try practice example for yourself in Dartpad or locally. See the different results and outputs. And that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.